Candace. Welcome to the No-Stop Truck Stop. It's like a little bit of home on the road.
Phineas, my last peaceful hours of vacation, and you built this?
More coffee, miss?
This is unbelievable! When Mom sees this one, she's gonna completely flip.
Miss, I'd like the breakfast special.
Honestly, you can't close your eyes for 1 second around you boys. Hash browns or fruit?
Hash brown.
You're having fruit.
Oh.
You are so busted!
Hey, some orange juice over here.
Yeah, hold your horses. I mean, it's bad enough in our own backyard, but at least that's stationary.
Do the egg Southwest have bacon in them?
Brr, bacon in the Southwest? There's bacon.
Is the bacon good?
It's bacon.
Okay, then I'll take
Not getting any younger here.
This is our no-stop truck stop. Come on in, take a break from hauling that load. We got coffee that's hot and ice that's not. It's a little bit of home on the road. We got lots of gravy to fill up all our pans. And restrooms out and back if you have to wash your hands. If an armadillo is your pillow and your cab is your boat, then come on in for a little bit of home on the road. Enjoy the view while you're slurping homemade stew. And when you're finished, you can sit and chat. Our juke plays latest hits from 1966. We may not know where we're going, but we sure know where it's at. There's chicken fried steak and devil's food cake as we whirl through another zip code. There's butter that's real and butter that's fake. It's a little bit of home on the road. Just sit right down, you look like a hungry gent. Our biscuits and gravy go down like wet cement. So if you're looking for home cooking or you want to see a three-headed toad, just come on in for a little bit of home on the road. Just come on in for a little bit of home on the road. Just come on in for a little bit of home on the road.